unemployment is that big factor which hampers or does not let a human become a resource, because a human being is a resource only when he helps in the production of the country, adds to the GNP of the country, is contributing his skills, his work, his ability, his strength, his knowledge to the country. But there are two major kind of unemployment seen in India. One is the disguised unemployment and the other is the seasonal unemployment. Now, disguised unemployment is in fact hidden unemployment, and I am going to explain it to you how it is, whereas a seasonal unemployment is visible. For example, there is a piece of farm owned by a family wherein two people are sufficient to work, but 10 people of that family actually works in that farm, which means the 8 of them are under the category of hidden or disguised unemployment. It seems that they are working, they are contributing, but they are not required there, because the work which is there is meant only for 2 people. So, that is a disguised unemployment generally prevalent in the Indian villages. Whereas, the visible seasonal unemployment is that wherein you work for few months and you do not work at all in other months. That is seasonal unemployment. The second difference is that no services are being provided to the field by these people as such, but in the seasonal unemployment during the peak seasons you are providing your services, but the other months you are just relaxing, you are doing nothing. So, both the kind of unemployments are in fact very disturbing for the economy of the country. Now, when there is unemployment in the country, it does lead to lot of negative aspects. First of all, it is wastage of manpower, that is, that great human resource which the country possesses, the country is not able to utilize their services, their knowledge, their skill. That means it is a wastage of the great manpower which is there in the country. As many people are not working, it is leading to more number of dependent population in the country. When the income is low, when not many people are working, naturally the quality of living is also low. And when people are unemployment, it definitely is leading to depressed economy. That is an economy which is showing no further growth. That is a depressed economy. Since no output, no work is being done, no money is being generated, there is no rise in the GNP, it is a depressed economy. Then a person who is unemployment has a low self-esteem. That is, he not only lacks in money but also lacks in self-confidence. Therefore, unemployment is a vicious circle which leads to all the other problems in the society. Therefore, just remember that human power or human beings become a resource only when they have good health, good knowledge, good education, and of course a work to do. And that was all about your chapter Humans as Resource.